how to get shout out happy birthday story on Instagram. So if you want to get shout out happy birthday story on Instagram, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Instagram application. After opening your Instagram, you need to go with your story, which is on the top left. Go with the camera, take a picture. And once you've taken a picture, now if you want to shout out happy birthday on your story, then you just need to simply go with create when you are in your camera section. Go with create, which will be on the left side. And from create, now if you swipe, then as you can see that here, you will have happy birthday shout out. And if you swipe again, then you will have GIF. You'll be able to add GIF to your story. So you need to go with the left, which has that happy birthday. Now here you need to enter the username of that person who has a birthday. And once you tap on it, now you can go with your story, which will be in the bottom left. And that's it. That's how you can get shout out happy birthday story on your Instagram. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.